Welcome to another video on how to add items to your cart on Shein. I'm Yakin from Create, Login and Delete, and let's get started. So first, visit the Shein website. For that, open up your preferred web browser and go to the Shein website www.shein.com. Now, if you already have a Shein account, sign in using your email address and password. If you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on the register or sign up button. Once you're signed in, you can start browsing the Shein website to find the items that you want to add to your cart. You can explore different categories, use the search bar, or check out the featured products and collections. When you find an item you're interested in, click on it to open the product page, and on the product page, you can view details such as items description, price, available sizes, and customer reviews. If applicable, select your preferred size and adjust the quantity of the item that you want to purchase. You may find this option near the Add to Bag or Add to Cart button right here. And now, once you have selected your size and quantity, select on Add to Cart button. You'll usually find this button located near the item's detail at the very bottom. After adding an item to your cart, you can choose to continue shopping and repeat the process for other items you want to purchase. If you're ready to check out, you can click on the shopping cart icon at the upper right corner. And now on the shopping cart page, you can review the items you have added. You can remove items, update quantities, or apply any available discounts or promotional codes. And once you're satisfied with the items in your cart, click on the checkout button. After that, you can follow the prompts to provide your shipping address, select a shipping method, and enter your payment details. Make sure to review the order summary before finalizing your purchase. After providing all the required information, review your order details once again, and if everything looks correct, click on the Place Order or Submit Order button to complete your purchase. By following these steps, you should be able to add items to your cart and successfully complete your purchase on Shein. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like, share, and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.